In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a guest name on Booking.com. We'll walk through the best time to add a guest's name, what to do if the reservation is already confirmed, and how to handle exceptions so check-in goes smoothly. The simplest way to ensure the correct guest name appears on the reservation is to add it while you're making the booking. Start by searching as usual and choosing the room you want. When you reach the Traveler Details page, look for the field labeled Traveler or Guest Name. Enter the guest's full name exactly as it appears on their government-issued ID. That means checking the spelling carefully and avoiding nicknames. If you're booking for someone who doesn't already have a profile, Booking.com will generate a guest traveler profile when you enter their details. This is the cleanest, most reliable method, and it helps the property match the reservation to the person checking in. If the reservation is already confirmed, things work a bit differently. In many cases, Booking.com doesn't provide an edit button to change the guest name after confirmation. Whether a name change is possible can depend on the property's policy, and if your booking includes flights or transfers, those services may follow stricter name change rules or fees similar to airline policies. That's why it's important to act as soon as you notice any issue. If you need to fix a name or switch the guest, start by contacting the property directly. Use the message tool in your reservation or call the accommodation to request a name update or a notation for check-in. Many properties will do this if it's before arrival, especially if it's a simple correction. Be polite and provide your booking details so they can locate the reservation quickly. If the property can't change it, reach out to Booking.com support from the booking page by selecting Help or Modify Booking. Ask them to request the update with the property on your behalf. Support can often facilitate changes before check-in, although it isn't guaranteed, and timing matters. The sooner you contact them, the better your chances. If neither the property nor support can update the name, and it's essential, perhaps for a visa letter or strict ID checks, you may need to cancel and rebook. Always review the cancellation policy first, note any deadlines or fees, and be aware that prices and availability can change. To recap, enter the correct guest name during booking whenever possible. After confirmation, try the property first, then Booking.com support, and use cancel and rebook only as a last resort. That approach will save time, stress, and often money.